What are you doing? Run! Run! Take your ball and go. Go play. Leave that. Get your ball. Run! Try not to shake the camera and you're not helping. What are you doing? What? You're gonna go play? You gonna go play with your ball? Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your shred of a ball. What are you doing? Just stepped on a rock. I think it's gonna rain, Molly. Ready to go in? Leave that. We have a dead squirrel. It's kind of disgusting. They found it inside the attic. And they're cleaning out today. What are you doing? Ready to go in? Hello? Ready to go in? Oh. Come on, let's go inside.